Jim Romer, Dr. Weather from Sarasota, Florida, with the Weather Wealth newsletter. Another hurricane approaching Florida. We began talking about this about 4 or 5 days ago. So the oceans are so record warm that the models can't handle it 5 to 7 days in advance. Don't believe in climate change. Think all this extreme weather is because of solar cycles or something else? No, folks. It's real. The oceans are record warm. We have a La Nina forming, and we're going to be talking about the MJO today and how we expect another hurricane hitting Florida following devastation across the southeast and also in Florida from Hurricane Helene a week ago. Hurricane Milton, no, not Merton, Milton Burrow, one of the first comedians on television many, many years ago. Also, not Milton Friedman, the economist. No, this is a serious situation with Hurricane Milton on Wednesday that's going to be hitting Florida stronger than most models were suggesting a few days ago. Stocks like Generac are going to be affected, up 30% this year so far, possibly hurting more of the orange crop that may be bullish orange juice futures again over the coming week, and also bearish natural gas with demand destruction. And my forecast, because of record warm Arctic warming of a warm late fall and early winter, could mean that longer term natural gas prices go back down below $3 again. So we're going to be talking about, first of all, something called the MJO index. This is the disturbance that rotates around the globe every 60 to 90 days or so. It's going to be something we call phase two. When that happens in phase two, we can tend to see upward vertical motion and less shear that would hurt hurricane development in the Gulf of Mexico. Indeed, here is what the MJO is there in blue there, or actually black there on the left. See that rotation? Let's look at it once again. There's the MJO, a disturbance that goes around the globe. And to the right, you tend to see difference of shear formation. So they're in blue over the Gulf Coast in Florida, phase 8, 1, and 2, represents upward vertical motion. Without getting too detailed right now, we're in a La Nina phase as well with cool ocean temperatures. That in the MJO in phase 2 or 3 could mean explosive development of what will be Hurricane Milton. Look at the cool ocean temperatures around Peru right now. That tends to reduce shear in the Gulf of Mexico, and La Nina is actually finally forming. As a matter of fact, my Climate Predict program used by farmers and traders around the world in multiple commodities, this is when we have Nina 1.2 cooler than normal there off the coast of Peru, a negative number. A negative number is negatively correlated with hurricane activity. Remember back in algebra when you were young? A negative of a negative cool and a negative correlation is positive as far as hurricane strength and explosiveness. See the negative correlation there through October? When Nina 1.2 is cool, that's explosive development. One reason why we expected a few days ago that models were underestimating, look at this to the left, this Hurricane Milton that will hit Florida on Wednesday. Unbelievable. It's not solar cycles, folks. It is climate change. It is record warm oceans. Look at this storm once again that's going to be forming in the western part of the Yucatan Peninsula, moving right into Florida. Could be at least a category 2. There it goes, there on your left. Models are underestimating this stuff because of La Nina, because of the MJO index, and because of the record warm global oceans. Be safe. Crazy, crazy end of the summer and fall. Stay tuned. Thank you.